There's a couple of features that only tutors have access to. These two features are leading mode and using the timer. Leading mode is turned on by default. This means that the student will see what you see and move where you move, regardless of where you are in the virtual classroom. You can choose to enable or disable leading mode from the menu icon on the top left. The timer is a helpful feature for tutors to keep track of the time in their session. If you want to select a pre-selected amount of time, like 30 minutes or an hour, you can just hit one of those buttons. Or you can set the exact time of day you would like for the timer to stop. So for me, I want it to end an hour from now at 1:41 p.m. Alternatively, you can click Set Custom Time to specifically say you would like the timer to end 1 hour from now. Finally, there's a stopwatch feature, which is really helpful to see how long it takes a student to go through a specific problem.